All right, so someone knocked into your car, your neighbor, for example. Maybe one of your tenants in your flat hasn't paid last month's rent. Maybe you gave a loan to your brother and you can't get it back from him. Um, there are many ways to claim these amounts, but when it comes to law, litigation is very, very expensive. For this reason, the Small Claims Court has been developed, and this court handles claims up to 15,000 Rand. The great thing here is that you're not represented by a lawyer. You can take another person to court, you could take another company. You can't take the government, unfortunately. It's a very relaxed process. Think Judge Judy, for example. So it's a very efficient process. No lawyers are present. This is a great thing. And you'll be able to state the case in your own words. There's still a bit of a process around it, though. You would have to draft a letter of demand, for example, and summons. You would then go and drop these off at your small claims court, the nearest one, which is generally a magistrate's court. But there's still a bit to think about. We offer a process on Law Unlocked whereby you can step through an interview. It will ask you a number of questions, determine where your nearest small claims court is. It will also draft your letter of demand and your summons for you. All you have to do is take these documents through to the small claims court, drop them off, and you're on your way.